Mushrooms are widely known for their mouth-watering umami taste and incredible health benefits. Mushrooms are a low-calorie food that packs quite the nutritional punch. Given that, it's no surprise that its sales and popularity have been skyrocketing in recent years. Join us today as we discuss and enumerate the incredible health benefits of mushrooms. An often underappreciated food, mushrooms have been eaten and used as medicine for thousands of years. All varieties of mushrooms are low in calories and fat and contain modest amounts of fiber and various nutrients. Although considered a vegetable, mushrooms are neither a plant nor animal. They are types of fungi that have plant-like form. Mushrooms vary in appearance with more than 10,000 known types, but generally they are distinguished by a stem, fleshy round cap, and gills underneath the cap. There are several different types of mushrooms, with all of them varying in size, taste, color, and appearance. From puffballs to truffles, mushrooms can range from everyday fare to a costly delicacy. People can buy them fresh, canned, or even dried. Most mushrooms that you can purchase at a grocery store or market are generally safe to eat, either cooked or raw, although it is still recommended to cook them, as cooking mushrooms destroys any toxins and carcinogens. Many nutrients in mushrooms are also more accessible after they have been cooked. Before we continue though, a brief request from us. If you find value in this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss our valuable content on health in the future. Now off to the incredible health benefits of mushrooms. Number 1. Mushrooms promote gut health. There are trillions of bacteria in your gut, and eating mushrooms may help to fill your GI tract with the right balance of bacteria to keep your GI tract healthy and strengthen your immune system. Mushrooms contain prebiotics, which are the nutrients that probiotics feed off. Probiotics are live microorganisms that may have health benefits for the body as they aid in digestion and produce nutrients. The prebiotics found in mushrooms may assist in the growth of these beneficial bacteria. Number 2. Mushrooms promote brain health. A long-term study in Spain published in 2021 found that certain foods rich in polyphenols, which include mushrooms, may be protective against cognitive decline in older adults. Researchers also found antioxidants in mushrooms that may help prevent Parkinson's and Alzheimer's disease. To lower your risk of developing neurological illnesses in the future, they advise consuming at least 5 button mushrooms per day. Number 3. Mushrooms promote skin health. Mushrooms contain a high concentration of 2 antioxidants, ergothioneine and glutathione. When these antioxidants are present together, they work to protect the body from the physiological stress that causes visible signs of aging. Number 4. Mushrooms promote heart health. One whole portobello mushroom provides 306 milligrams of the important mineral potassium, which is 8.7% of the daily value. Potassium lowers blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium and improving blood vessel function. More potassium in your diet promotes sodium excretion in your urine, and the heart health benefits don't stop there. According to some research, mushrooms may also help reduce inflammation and improve cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Number 5. Mushrooms have been linked with cancer prevention. Consider including mushrooms in your cancer prevention diet. People who ate more mushrooms regularly had a 34% lower risk of any cancer than those who ate the least, especially in the case of breast cancer. Mushrooms contain a lot of antioxidants, especially ergothioneine and glutathione, which may help protect cells from certain damage. Number 6. Mushrooms can help promote mental health. Researchers did some further investigations in 2021 that in a sample of almost 26,000 people, those who regularly ate mushrooms had a lower risk of developing depression and anxiety disorders. This may be due to the antioxidant ergothioneine, which may lower the risk of oxidative stress, which in turn reduces symptoms of depression. Researchers recommend eating white button mushrooms, which contain the highest amounts of potassium. According to some studies, potassium can help improve your mood, reduce anxiety, and improve overall mental health. Number 7. Mushrooms may boost your memory. Another mental mushroom-related benefit. In a 2019 study, researchers at the National University of Singapore discovered that eating 2 3/4 cup servings of cooked mushrooms per week may reduce your risk of mild cognitive decline and boost memory. Recent studies also discovered that the antioxidants found in mushrooms may reverse some of the symptoms of aging, such as memory loss. Additionally, a different study found that older men and women who ate mushrooms as part of their regular diet had a generally lower risk of developing neurological disorders. Number 8. Mushrooms are a great energy source. Mushrooms are high in B vitamins such as riboflavin, B2, folate, B9, thiamine, B1, pantothenic acid, B5, and niacin, B3. These assist the body in utilizing energy from food and producing red blood cells. Furthermore, the antioxidants found in mushrooms may help your body produce more energy. Number 9. Mushrooms promote immunity and bone health. When exposed to UV radiation, mushrooms generate vitamin D. A half cup of UV-exposed white mushrooms contain 47% of your daily value for vitamin D. This vitamin plays an incredibly important role in immune and bone health. Vitamin D supports muscle function and may have anti-cancer, anti-diabetic, and heart protective properties. Lastly, number 10, mushrooms may promote longevity when substituted for red meat. Mushrooms add umami, or savory meaty flavor to foods. They're the perfect extender to add in place of or in addition to meat in so many recipes. In a 2021 study, researchers found that the participants who consumed more than one serving of mushrooms per day versus those who consumed one or more servings of processed red meat had a 36% lower risk of death from any cause. The possible reason is that in addition to containing important antioxidants, mushrooms are also low in calories, sodium, and fat, and high in fiber. Mushrooms are a delicious and satisfying substitute for red meat in any dish, eliminating calories, fat, and cholesterol from the equation. As we conclude, we would like to give you some precautions. Eating mushrooms that have been contaminated with harmful bacteria can make you sick. While fresh mushrooms do not naturally contain bacteria that can make you ill, they can become contaminated if they are grown on compost that has not been properly sterilized. Additionally, if you experience any of the common allergy symptoms shortly after eating mushrooms, you may have a mushroom allergy. Thus, you should avoid consuming mushrooms and other mold-related products such as yeast. Some packaged foods such as sour cream, dried fruits, alcohol products such as beer and wine, sour milk, cheese, and pickled meat and fish could also produce a similar reaction. Therefore, these products should be taken with caution and in small amounts only after speaking with your healthcare provider. And that concludes our video on the incredible health benefits of mushrooms. Be reminded that this video is primarily for information only, and we do not claim to provide medical advice and a diet plan that is tailor-suited to your needs. Also be reminded to consult with a medical professional and seek personalized healthcare that will fit you. Also, please leave a like, subscribe, and click that bell button to receive information on our new health-related videos. If you want to watch more of our content, check out this video in the lower right corner. You can also check out our playlist of related content. Anyway, see you later, and thank you for watching.